Hey guys, Sak here from SAKITECH, and in today's video we are going to be unboxing and doing a quick review of the Samsung Galaxy S20 Plus BTS Special Edition. So as you can see right off the bat, the box is a little bit different. We have these heart symbols carved onto the box, and we have that purple haze color that's also going to be the color of the actual smartphone with no reflection. So let's unbox this and see what's up. So even on the top of the box, we have these dots and little hearts. Okay, so this one comes right off just like that. And then here's the S20 logo, and we have all this purple stuff that is designed after the BTS. So let's pull this up and see what's in the box. Okay, should be all of the same stuff. Here we have something in the box. There we have the phone. Now in this little box right over here, what we have is we have a case. Okay, so we have a case and a bunch of stickers and a bunch of user guides. Not a big deal. And of course, inside the smaller box, what we have is we have a bunch of photos of BTS band's members. All right, so I'm going to put that aside for a second. All right, I'm going to come back to the phone over here. So let's lift the phone up. Okay, and there's that special purple color with no reflection. This is a haze purple color. So I'm going to put this over here for 1 second, all right, and quickly see what's in here. Probably the same things we expect in a box. Okay, we have the quick fast charger. That's a 25-watt charger. We have the USB-C cable, which is going to be right here. And then we have the earbuds by AKG. So that's all the stuff that we get in the box, along with the case, a bunch of stickers, and all that good stuff. Let's divert our attention to the actual smartphone and see what's going on. So let's put all this to the side, and here's our main concern. Now before we dive in, if you find my videos useful, make sure to click that subscribe button, and also make sure to click that bell icon on the side to get notified every time I upload a new video. And of course, if you do use Twitter, Instagram, or Facebook, make sure to follow me on all at SAKITECH Online, also for the latest updates. All right, let's dive in. All right, so let's just take all this off here. All right, wow. Look at that beautiful color. No shine. This is the way they should be building these smartphones. We even have a little logo right here and a little heart symbol right over there, as you can see. But for all intents and purposes, this is a Samsung Galaxy S20 Plus. But let me just have you guys understand how good this color is. It is a shifting color. It goes from purple to a little bluish color, okay? And it doesn't have any reflection, so it's not going to attract any fingerprints, which is fantastic. Alrighty, let's do a quick tour around the device. You know, I'm certainly impressed with this stunning color right over here. Look at that close up. It is absolutely beautiful, and like I said, it's a shifting color. As you can see, it goes from blue to purple, okay? And then you have that little heart right there. And I'll let you know real quick, the camera setup is the same setup as the Samsung Galaxy S20 Plus. You do have a 64 megapixel telephoto camera right here. Then you have the standard 12 megapixel wide angle camera, and then you have the ultra wide 12 megapixel camera, and of course you've got the depth vision camera. But again, if you look at the side, we have a shiny bezel on the side. We have the volume rocker and the power button. At the bottom, what we have, let me just focus on this real quick. So we have the usual speaker at the bottom, the USB Type-C, and a little microphone. On this side, we've got nothing. And of course, on the top, we have the SIM card tray and the little microphone jack. But again, this is the main thing. Everything else of this phone is just like the Samsung Galaxy S20 Ultra, but this color is just simply stunning. Okay, it's the color. That's what this phone is all about. It also has a unique live wallpaper. It's got an inspiring lock screen and also a custom startup screen and a turn off screen. So I'm going to show you those in a second. All right, so here's the phone turned off completely. I'm going to turn it on for the very first time. Let's see what's new here. So let's turn it on. Okay, first we get the logo that says S20 Plus 5G. And then look at this brand new animation that is BTS specific. There we go. Okay, so that animation certainly is unique to this phone. You're not going to find that on any other smartphone. So let's set this up real quick, see what else we come to expect. Let me turn off that voice. I'm going to go next. All right, I'm going to agree to all the terms except for the optional ones. All right, here, let's tap on next. All right, let's connect to my Wi-Fi. So that's all good to go. I'm going to skip basically everything, go straight into the main screen to show you guys the special live wallpaper and other BTS specific features. All right, so don't copy anything. We're gonna skip all that stuff for now. All right, check-in info. I'm gonna skip even the Google sign for now. That's gonna save us some time. All right, let's just pick any time it's showing over here. Accept all these conditions. We're gonna skip the protection. It's all the same as the S20 Ultra. All right, we're gonna skip it just for now. Skip anyway. It's adding the finishing touches. All right. Sign into Samsung account, skip that as well. All right, so we should go into the main screen in a second. Okay, so there it is. It says it's applying the special purple edition theme. I'm gonna go into my display real quick. I'm gonna set the proper brightness so we can see it nice and easy. So already it's beautiful, okay, but let's go in here to settings. Let's go to display. As I go to display, look at all these purple buttons all over the place. So let's keep this here in the middle, turn that off, and go to screen timeout. We're going to do that 5 minutes so it doesn't turn off on us. And of course, we've got the 120 Hz refresh rate on this one. So I'm going to go to motion smoothness and enable that. Okay, we'll come back to that. Okay, so again, let's go home. Look at those icons. These are all BTS specific icons. Let's pull this down. Again, we got purple color, purple notifications on the top here. If I go into the settings, you can see this again. And let's take a look at the lock screen. Okay, so I'm going to turn this on. That's the background image, by the way. I'm going to turn this off, turn it on, and that's the live wallpaper for this special edition. Let's see what happens when we swipe it. Double tap to wake up, swipe it. Okay, I'm going to pinch this. I'm liking that wallpaper, by the way. I'm going to pinch this. I'm going to go into my wallpapers. Let's see what else we have. My wallpapers. Okay, these are the preloaded ones. Looks like we don't have a specific wallpaper. It looks like this is all activated by activating the actual theme. So if I pinch the screen and go to themes, all right, let me just tap on continue here. If I go to my stuff, looks like, okay, there we go. We have the purple edition theme that I set up automatically when I turn on the phone, and it gives you a preview of what to expect. All right, so as you can see, everything is nice and purple. Even have a special always on display, but if I go to the phone, you'll notice we have these little stars over here. Again, everything is purple. Even the notifications are purple here. Look at that. That's pretty cool. All right, if I go to the messages, again, everything is purple. Special effects on the icon here. Let's go to the calculator, see what that's all about. So calculator, again, purple. Okay, so everything in this theme is designed after BTS, and it is in fact smooth and silky. But again, beyond that, this is the same phone as the S20 Plus. Nothing is superior except, I think, in my opinion, the actual color. Now, when you turn off the phone, you also get a special animation. So let's look at that. Okay, oh, that's Bixby right there. So let's turn off right here. Tap on power off. Let's see what we get. Okay, again, I believe in your Galaxy, and you get a turn off animation. Let's turn that on again, and we can see the turn on animation, which we just saw, but let's look at it one more time. All right, there we go. Little heart, I believe in your Galaxy. All right, then it takes you straight into the lock screen. As you can see, that was very quick, and you have a special sound. All right, now if I were to go in here, again, special sound as I launch it, but I like that notification sound that I keep getting in the background. Okay, but that's basically it, guys. I mean, like I said, this is an S20 Plus, nothing more, nothing less, but the color is absolutely stunning. I would have loved to have this color at launch time. All right, any questions, comments, or concerns, drop them down below and let me know. For now, guys, have a fantastic day. All right, so if you found this video useful, make sure to subscribe to SAKITECH by clicking that button, and also click that bell icon on the side to make sure you get notified every time I upload a new video. And if you do use Twitter, Instagram, or Facebook, you can follow me at SAKITECH online to get the latest updates as well. Alright, have a fantastic day.